Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn yourself into any bird on Dress to Impress, like any colored like bird that looks like the shape. So first you're going to color yourself red. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker for like the mouth. You also want to use this contour if you have it. If you don't, it doesn't make a really big difference. Just color that black. It's like for the inside of the mouth. Then you are going to start coloring the rest, like the color of your bird. And then I'm just going to do green for like Duolingo because I want to. I'll use like this green, and then I'll use that hair, no bangs on that, color that green. And then I'm going to color this also green. You can color everything else at the end if you'd like to, but I'm just going to do it now. And I'll use that hair as well. You'll need like around 4 hairs. Let me just color this to a green one. Okay, then you're gonna need this hat. Color that green as well. And for this one, you're actually going to color it black for the eyes. And then you're going to color this one green for, orange for the beak, as well as this. Select the third one and color that orange for the beak as well. Okay, so far so good. You'll need to go to the changing rooms here, get the skirt, and then do the skirt only. I'm also going to color that green. Then this one, turn off the layer, color that green, and then we will need the fur coat from the Brat collection. Color that green as well. And then for the shoes, you can use any shoes you want. Color them like an orange for like the feet. And then I'm going to get this skirt as well. And then I'm going to get this scarf, and then I'm going to color that green. And then lastly, I think we just need the cupcake one. Actually, we still need more items. We're going to use these flowers actually for it too. So color that green. Okay, and then we'll need the pumpkin. That's like the last piece. As you can see, you don't need VIP for this at all. And again, the makeup is optional. And I'm just going to put on some gloves to cover the hand. Then you'll need the villain pose from the K-pop pose pack. And then there it is, a bird. It's a bird, it's a plane. It's kind of Duolingo, but not really because it's not an owl, but yeah, you can color it any color you want, of course. That is it. That's how you can create a bird on Dress to Impress. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.